Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Breathing, it's the first thing we do when we enter this world and the last thing we do when we leave it. It's so simple, so automatic, we hardly notice it. Yet every breath we take is a gift, a reminder of our existence. Yet this simple act holds immense power. It's more than just a biological function, it's a bridge between our body and mind. It's the key to unlocking a world of peace, clarity, and even the power to shift your reality. Through conscious breathing, we can find a sanctuary within ourselves. This is the power of conscious breathing. By paying attention to our breath, we tap into a force that can transform our lives. It's a tool for managing stress, enhancing focus, and fostering emotional balance. By paying attention to our breath, we tap into a force that can transform our lives. Each breath becomes a moment of mindfulness, a step towards inner peace. It's a journey inward, a way to connect with the deepest parts of ourselves. Through this connection, we can heal, grow, and find a deeper sense of purpose. This is not a new concept. The wisdom of breath has been passed down through generations, etched in ancient scrolls and whispered in sacred temples. For centuries, ancient traditions have recognized the power of breath. From the yogis in India to the monks in Tibet, breathwork has been a cornerstone of spiritual practice. From yogis in India to monks in Tibet, breathwork has been used to enhance well-being and spiritual growth. These practices have stood the test of time, proving their effectiveness in fostering a balanced and harmonious life. Now, modern science is catching up. Researchers are delving into the mysteries of breath, uncovering its profound impact on our physiology and mental health. Research is proving what these ancient practices knew all along. Breathwork is a powerful tool for transforming our minds and bodies. Studies show that controlled breathing can reduce anxiety, lower blood pressure, and even improve cognitive function. As we embrace this ancient wisdom with modern understanding, we open the door to a new era of holistic well-being. The breath of life is not just a necessity, it's a pathway to a richer, more fulfilling existence. Shifting reality with each breath, our breath is intimately connected to our state of mind. Each inhale and exhale carries with it the potential to transform our inner world. Notice your breath when you're anxious. It becomes erratic, fast, and shallow, mirroring the chaos within. This rapid, shallow breathing is a natural response to stress, a signal that our body is in fight or flight mode. Conversely, when you're calm and relaxed, your breath slows down, becoming deep and rhythmic. This is your body's way of telling you that all is well. Conscious breathing techniques, such as those practiced in yoga or pranayama, allow us to take control of our breath. By doing so, we can influence our mental state, bringing about a sense of calm and clarity. By changing our breathing patterns, we can shift from a state of stress and anxiety to one of peace and tranquility. This transformation is not just physical, but also mental and emotional. This shift in consciousness has the power to change how we perceive the world around us. When we breathe deeply and mindfully, we open ourselves up to new perspectives and possibilities. When our minds are calm and clear, we see things differently. The world appears more vibrant and our problems seem more manageable. In this state, we make better decisions, attract positive experiences, and begin to manifest the reality we desire. Our relationships improve, we find ourselves more aligned with our true purpose. This is not about escaping reality, but about experiencing it more fully and consciously. By being present in each moment, we can appreciate the beauty and wonder of life. Through breathwork, we can move beyond the limitations of our minds and tap into our true potential. This practice helps us to connect with our inner selves, fostering a sense of peace and empowerment that transcends our everyday challenges. A universal truth. In many cultures, breath is synonymous with life force or spirit. The Sanskrit word prana and the Chinese qi both refer to this vital energy that flows through us with each breath. This concept of breath as life force energy highlights its importance. It's not just about oxygenating our bodies, it's about vitalizing our entire being. When we engage in conscious breathing practices, we consciously cultivate and direct this life force energy. We become more aware of its flow, learning to use it to heal, energize, and awaken our true potential. The 4-7-8 technique, one powerful breathing technique that can help you access this transformative power, is the 4-7-8 breath. This simple yet effective technique can be practiced anywhere, anytime, to calm the mind, reduce stress, and promote sleep. Here's how it works. First, find a comfortable position. Sit with your back straight or lie down. Next, prepare your breath by exhaling completely through your mouth, making a whooshing sound. Then, close your mouth and inhale quietly through your nose to a mental count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Finally, exhale completely through your mouth, making a whooshing sound to a count of 8. This completes one cycle. Now repeat the cycle 3 more times. That's it. Simple, right? How 4-7-8 rewires your mind. The 4-7-8 breathing technique works on both a physiological and psychological level. This simple yet powerful method can be practiced anywhere, at any time, making it an accessible tool for anyone looking to improve their mental and physical well-being. By slowing down your breathing, you activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the body's relaxation response. This system counteracts the fight or flight response, helping to bring your body back to a state of balance and calm. This activation triggers a cascade of physiological changes. Your heart rate slows down, blood pressure decreases, and muscle tension releases. These changes are not just temporary. With regular practice, the 4-7-8 technique can help to lower your baseline levels of stress and anxiety. As your body relaxes, so does your mind. This interconnectedness between body and mind means that by calming one, you inherently calm the other. This holistic approach to relaxation can lead to more profound and lasting effects. The extended exhale in the 4-7-8 technique is particularly significant. It allows for a more complete release of air from the lungs, which can help to expel toxins and bring in fresh oxygen, revitalizing your entire system. It helps to release more carbon dioxide from the lungs, leading to a greater sense of calm and relaxation. This deeper breathing pattern can also improve lung capacity and overall respiratory health over time. Moreover, the rhythmic counting involved in this technique helps to quiet the mind, reducing mental chatter and promoting a state of focused attention. This counting serves as a form of meditation, anchoring your thoughts and preventing them from wandering. This state of mental stillness is key to accessing deeper levels of peace and clarity. By regularly practicing the 4-7-8 technique, you can train your mind to enter this state more easily, enhancing your overall sense of well-being and mental clarity. Breathing your dreams into reality. Conscious breathing is not just about relaxation. It can also be a powerful tool for manifestation. When you combine breathwork with visualization techniques, you amplify your ability to manifest your desires. Find a quiet space and practice the 4-7-8 breathing technique. As you breathe, visualize your desired outcome. Imagine it as if it were already happening. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goal. This practice helps to impress your desires upon your subconscious mind. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired outcome, you create a powerful force for manifestation. Remember, the universe responds to your energy. What you focus on expands. By focusing on your breath and your desires, you create the conditions for your dreams to blossom into reality. Patience and persistence. The transformative power of breathwork unfolds gradually. Like any worthwhile endeavor, consistency and patience are key. Don't get discouraged if you don't experience dramatic results overnight. The key is to make breathwork a regular practice. Start with a few minutes each day and gradually increase the duration as you feel comfortable. Remember, even a few minutes of conscious breathing can make a difference. As you continue this practice, you'll notice subtle shifts in your awareness, your reactions, and your overall well-being. You'll find yourself becoming calmer, more centered, and more resilient in the face of life's challenges. This is the power of consistent practice. It's about showing up for yourself, breath after breath, moment after moment. The beauty of the 4-7-8 breathing technique is its simplicity and accessibility. You can practice it anytime, anywhere, to regain your composure, reduce stress, and shift your perspective. Here are a few scenarios where the 4-7-8 breath can be particularly helpful. Before a stressful meeting or presentation, calm your nerves and enhance your focus. Before going to sleep, quiet your mind and promote restful sleep. When you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious, regain a sense of calm and control. In moments of anger or frustration, Create space between your emotions and your reactions. By incorporating the 4-7-8 breath into your daily routine, you'll have a powerful tool at your disposal to navigate the ups and downs of life with greater ease and grace. Your breath, your transformation, the journey of breathwork is a personal one. As you explore different techniques and practices, you'll discover what resonates most deeply with you. Trust your intuition and allow yourself to be guided by your breath. Remember, your breath is always there for you. It's a constant companion, a source of strength and a gateway to inner peace. By learning to harness its power, you can transform your life from the inside out. Take a deep breath in, let it go, and embark on this transformative journey. The power to shift your reality lies within you, one breath at a time. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for joining me today on this journey.